The realme C100i comes with a 7,000 milliamp hour battery, which is more than enough for everyday use. It also inherits the same military-grade shock resistance feature of the realme C100. A 6.8-inch 120Hz display, a 50 watts fast charging, reverse charging feature, and a handful of next AI features. And that's the realme C100 series. Great design, massive battery life, dependable durability, smooth everyday performance, and practical AI features.
The realme C100i official price is 8,999 peso for the 4 plus 6 fold variant and 13,999 peso for the 4 plus 256 variant. You will also enjoy an instant 2,000 discount for the realme C100i, which means you can get our C100i at just 9,999 peso for the 4 plus 128 variant, and 11,999 peso for the 4 plus 256 variant. Pre-order from July to July 9 and get your free Type-Like smart band plus an instant 2,000 discount. This up to around 3,000 peso in total. And if you miss the pre-order, no worries. From July 10 to July 19, for 4 plus 128 or 4 plus 256 variants, you can still enjoy the 2,000 extra discount. For online customers, we have special offers in our official flagship store on TikTok, Lazada, and Shopee. The realme C100i starts at 6,000